morning to all the students at NDIIT. We have PGDM students today. We might have marketing, finance, operations students. Be it whether you're in marketing, finance, or operations, everyone needs business analytics and ways how to crunch data to get inferences from data so that you can take data-driven decisions. The government of India is also pushing a lot on startups, and a number of opportunities are getting generated in the business analytics space, and there are very high salaries offered in India. So we are here to actually give you an opportunity to learn what analytics is, how to do that in a more efficient manner, and that is exactly why we have the Business Analytics Workshop, where we help you take data-driven decisions.
Now, for the purpose of the exercise, I want to first start with a case study. Step number 1 is to download the data. In terms of the tools, we will use Google Colab. I'm going to copy and paste the prompt that says plus code. Yeah, click on that. Okay, great. I want you to click on generate again. I want you to paste it here. What it is doing, it's basically taking your instructions and it's generating the entire Python code for you. Click on the play button on your left-hand side. So what we can do, Rima, is we can produce all the charts first. We can then have a group discussion.
Now, moving forward to the next part of this workshop, so we are also going to cover something else within the Employability Advantage brand, which is called Employability Advantage Upskill. So, Lauren, over to you.
So what is Employability Advantage Upskilling? Really is there to help you see that big picture, right? How can you gain job-ready, industry-relevant skills? So the first thing in this tool is it works on selecting roles. You can pick any area and you take a small assessment of your skills, and then you get access to all of these tools that you can use. That is a AI-driven resume tool, you get tech and smart skills, and then you get the interview tool as well. So you also have a resume tool that you can use now, and you can customize your resume for different jobs that you're applying for. Finally, I'm going to talk about the interview tool. So that's how the interview tool will work, and that sums up my quick presentation.
A big thank you to the entire management at NDIIT. All you have to do is scan this QR code and give us your feedback.